welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Vanessa, and today I am doing a really quick and easy makeup look, as well as I am doing a very chatty talking about my eyelash extensions that I have got recently. This is gonna be pretty chill just because I wanted to be able to film a quick and easy video, as by the time you guys are watching this, I am going to be in exams, so the last few weeks have been really hectic for me, as well as the week coming up. But I still wanted to get a really good quality and video that you guys would enjoy up, and I just hope you guys do enjoy. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here and want to see more of me, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below? Just a thought. I don't know. Anyways, let's just get right into the look and the chatting about my eyelash extensions. So starting as usual, I'm just moisturizing my face. I am now using the Lush Charity Pot moisturizer. I find that it's really nourishing, especially if you have dry skin. So I'm just gonna be putting that all over my face. I think I got too much though. Oh well. And like when you have lashes, you have to be really careful to just kind of like go around them and like not touch them a lot. I find they're super easy to like sleep with. They don't and didn't bother me at all. So when I'm doing my eyes, I'm really careful to just kind of go on the tops of my eyelids and underneath. Obviously you're going to miss a little bit of your eyelid, like right where the lashes are. That's kind of just a downfall of having eyelashes. And then I'm moisturizing my lips with my EOS. So right now I'm using this one. I don't really know what flavor it is, to be honest. I totally forgot this turned on. So then after all the moisturizing is done, I am going to be spraying on my MoreVanessaTiiu Rose Water Spray. I'm honestly in love with it. I haven't used a ton of it, but I have been using it every day since I got it. So also because it's exams and I have lashes, I'm kind of not doing foundation right now. So I'm just going to be using two different colors of concealer, a lighter one and a darker one. Start with the darker one and then kind of like lighten up some of the areas with the lighter one. And so when I got my lashes on, the taping up part feels really weird, to be honest. Especially if you're like not jittery, but like if you can't sit still or like are tense like me. I found it really hard when she was taping me up, and my eyes water insanely easy. Basically my eyes would water and then she would have to redo the tape. I don't know, it just wasn't the best experience for my first time getting eyelashes. But I think now that I have done it before, like I'll definitely be able to do it again easier the second time. When you're doing any concealer, makeup, and foundation, if you're going near your eyes, you're just gonna want to be really careful that you don't like get makeup on your eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm going in with my lighter one just to kind of lighten up some of my really dark areas and just places that I want like a little bit of extra coverage. And then to get like extra makeup that I put on the insides of my corners, I'm using a brush just because this is a little hard with my lashes to actually get in there without like poking myself in the eye. I'm just going to be kind of setting that with a big fan brush because it's the biggest brush that I have. I'm struggling. Now I am using this Tardiest Glow To Go kit, and I'm using the contour in it to contour. That's what happened to you. Inside I did, but I refused. Taking a bigger fluffy brush to kind of blend that all out. For eyelashes, I find you're gonna want to go to someone that you know does a good job. So this girl that I went to, I had a few friends go to her before, and me and my friend actually went together to get our lashes done. Next, I am just using my Becca highlighter in the color Champagne Pop to highlight. I really think that it's important if you are getting your eyelashes done that you know how you want them, because if you don't know how you want your eyelashes, like, girl, what are you doing? Because they will ask you, and if you don't know, you're probably gonna end up getting something that you don't like. Now, the girl that did mine did an amazing job. I'm in love with them. I'm just gonna highlight a little bit on my nose. I honestly love highlighting my nose because I think it's like a little ball kind of on the end. So when I highlight, it kind of looks cute, and I don't know, I just enjoy it. After this, I'm going to the gym, so I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm putting on makeup for no reason. That's okay. I was considering doing some eyeliner on the bottom. I haven't had these on for very long and I haven't put eyeliner on yet with them. So I'm kind of afraid that if I do, I'm not going to be able to get it off without like rubbing my eyes a ton, which you aren't supposed to do with lashes. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit of mascara along my bottom eyelashes because they are so super short and they look really weird compared to my long eyelashes.
I think I know what's wrong.
So now I'm using this Sephora Winter Magic eyeshadow palette. We're gonna stick with like a brown today. So we're gonna be using this side, and I'm starting with this one, the light one up there. So this will be like my transition shade, and I'm not doing super heavy eyeshadow because of the lashes. Normally I would do my eyeshadow like this, but now I kind of have to like do it like this so that I don't get in the way of the eyelashes, also because they are really long. And I think I'll take like a little bit of this brown just to put in my crease and blend it out. So I think that's gonna be it for my eyeshadow, just because I don't like to wear a ton and I think this looks okay. So next I'm just gonna be brushing my eyelashes out just to make sure that they're kind of all separated, and I also do this every morning and every night before I go to bed just to make sure that they don't tangle and that they aren't tangled for the day. And then the last thing I'm going to be doing is eyebrows, and I'm just using a little bit of eyebrow gel to kind of shape them a little bit more. Oh, this isn't the last thing I'm doing. I'm also doing a little bit of lipstick. And today I am just using this little baby Tarte lipstick. I haven't used it yet, so we're going to see what it looks like.
I was at the point where all I really wanted was someone.
And then the last thing, you guys know what it is, taking my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix setting spray to just set all my makeup. And so that is the entire completed makeup look with my eyelash extensions on. So I hope this kind of gave you a little bit of help if you have eyelash extensions or if you're looking at getting them. And now I'm gonna go to the gym. Probably shouldn't have done this. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more makeup looks in the future, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!